naman sila chairman na ko eh.
Wala. Akala ko sa'yo, wala ka ba?
Gagayahin mo na naman silang... Model ka rin ba ng Big Mac?
Looking for Dinolan. 45 seconds. Dinolan. Wala. Rebound by Dinolan. Follow up. It's a foul from number 4.
Wala score ni...
40 seconds. Time remaining 40 seconds. Two free throw yan para kay number 20 Dinolan. Wala. Ang unang tira.
Sira ang laro ni Dinolan kay Makmak.
Second shot by Dinolan. 1 point. Time remaining 40 seconds. Number 12. 35. Foul by Magallanes. 34 seconds. Time remaining 34. Number 10. It's a foul. 31 seconds. 31.
Nagbuhol-buhol na sa ibabaw.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Warning. Isa pa. One foul more to give for penalty. Intercept by Dinolan. Dinolan, dinakdak. 27 seconds. Score 66-60. Number 8. Foul by Suman. Penalty. Time remaining 24 seconds. 24. Number 4. Warning for graduation Suman. Number 4.
Number 22 yun. Isumat.
Sobrahan.
Warning for graduation. First row ni number 4, wala. "24 seconds remaining for the final quarter." Second throw by number 4. 1 point. 24 seconds. Magallanes. 21 seconds. From number 4, from the Warrior. 21 seconds. Wala pa penalty sila. Sa na lang, warning. Dinolan. 20 seconds. Number 12. 15 seconds. 14 seconds remaining. 14. 1-4. 12 seconds. Time remaining 12 seconds.
Graduate na ha.
Graduate.
18.
Number 18. 5 personal foul. Number 18. Number 18. Pentre.
Pentre, 5 fouls.
5 fouls.
5 fouls na. Palitan. Palit.
Substitution. Unang tira number 12, 1 point. Time remaining 12 seconds, 12. Second shot by number 12 from the Warrior. Wala. Rebound 10 seconds. Time remaining 9 seconds, 9. Dinolan. 3-point shot by Dinolan. 5, 3, 2, 1. Game ball na po tayo para sa ating first game. 68-62 in favor of the Bataan Warrior. Next game po, warm up na po kayo. Cubs versus Alphaman. Sigal na po tayo para sa ating sport kasi. Sigal na po.
Makmak! Ayos lang.
Walang ban? Celebration? Celebration wala?
Biyernes kayo.
Ano?
Parang feedback ah.
Kahit ka lang ba? Lalambot ka.
Oh, ayan. Pakasawa ka na, oh.
Hello, Pilipinas!
Doon ka.
Sabol pa, Bol!
Habol.
Tulog na tulog! Tulog na sa pansitan!
Oh, Jerry Boy.
Dati din niya kumain siguro eh.